I'm going to show you how I made this personalized truck in a frame. This truck is perfect as seasonal decor. You can interchange the artificial flowers in the truck bed pocket. The pattern for this project is free and available in the description link below in my blog. Let's get started. First, you'll want to print out the pattern on regular printer paper, 8.5 by 11. Once you have everything cut out, tape in place on your plywood. I used my scroll saw to cut all the pattern pieces out. I used 1/4-inch plywood from scraps that I had laying around from another project. These are all the pieces you'll need to assemble your pickup truck. Now that you have your pickup truck completed, we're going to work on the frame. I had a friend that was doing a remodeling project, so she ended up with a lot of extra laminate flooring. I cut 2 pieces of the laminate flooring at 15 inches long each. You're going to want to trim off one end of each of your laminate pieces. You want to make sure that they're still able to interlock with each other. I'll show you that in the next video segment. Here you can see one of the edges has a clean cut while the other still has an interlocker. And same with this other piece. Then you can still snap them together to get a nice clean finish for your frame base. The backing for the frame measures at 10 5/8 inches by 15 inches. Now that you have your frame base completed, let's work on the trim pieces. I use 1x2 wood cut at a 45-degree angle. The specific cut measurements for the frame can be found in my blog post in the description link below. I just used a hand sander to sand all of the frame pieces, as well as the truck pieces. This is my favorite part, adding all the color. I just used acrylic paints. I decided to paint my truck blue instead of the traditional red, because red seems more like a Christmas time color. Feel free to paint your truck any color that you'd like. I painted my frame pieces with black acrylic. I used 2 coats of paint on all of my pieces, and I painted the fronts and back. I decided to use hot glue for this step to assemble the pickup truck. This step adds the 3-dimensional look of your pickup truck. It also adds the secret pocket to the back of the pickup truck that you can put your flowers in. Finish gluing the tires on your pickup truck and the sign on the front. There you go, your pickup truck is almost finished. Where the laminate pieces lock together, make sure you apply a bead of glue I used wood glue, then glue on your frame pieces. Once again, I used hot glue to glue the pickup truck inside of the frame. Alternately, you could use wood glue. I used my silhouette cutting machine to cut out the last name of the family that I'm making this project for. I used vinyl that is intended for a permanent placement. I have the original silhouette cameo machine, and I've had it for about 10 years now, and I love it. I've used it for so many different craft projects. For this step, I'm simply just sliding the artificial flowers in the back of the pickup truck. I wanted the recipient to be able to take out the flowers as the seasons change to kind of change up the decor. It's also a great way to use up artificial flower remnants that you might have in your craft stash. Add a picture hanger to the back of your frame, and there you have it, a beautiful handmade personalized gift for a family member or friend. Enjoy!